everybody. It is, what is today? Wednesday. It is Wednesday. As you guys know, I've been a little under the weather and working a little slower than usual. And today is no different. In fact, yesterday I thought I was getting better, and then I woke up this morning and I don't feel well. So I don't know what's going on, but I have this strange feeling that I will end up in the doctor's office again. But it'll be okay. We're going to be all right. Today I made a big giant pot of chili, as you all seen, and I also made a cheese board, a mini cheese board. Ronnie loves cheese, and when I was at Aldi's, I got in that holiday mode, and they had all these wonderful cheeses, and I decided to do that today, and we just got done eating. I'm about to clean up my bedroom a little bit. I want to clean through my vanity and change out my makeup bag and wash my brushes. And I need to get cracking on that. I need to put up my clean clothes. They've been sitting in the basket for 2 days. I need to pull all of Ronnie's shorts out of his Chester drawers and replace it with his blue jeans because it got down to 27 degrees last night. I think that shorts are completely out by this point. So anyhow, I'm going to do that. I took my medicine today already, and I ate, and I was kind of hoping that it would, get in there, and then maybe I would feel a little bit better, but I just feel really exhausted. So Ronnie and I are going to watch a Christmas movie in a little while. One of our favorites, and it's on YouTube. If I remember, I will link it down below for you guys, but it's the Waltons Christmas. If you guys watch the Waltons, well, you're my kind of people. I love that show. Absolutely love it. I found a new TV show on Netflix that I have been enjoying. It's called When Calls the Heart. If you like shows like Dr. Quinn, Medicine Woman, or anything like that, you would really like this. It's really cute. I've only watched 2 episodes of it, and so far I really like it. It's really nice. It's very wholesome, good storyline, and I like it. It's really cute. Kind of know where things are going in this, but we'll see. But anyways, really cute. I'm going to get cracking on my cleaning up in here. I need to set up because I'm supposed to do a Facebook Live in here, and I'm hoping to join in with my son on it. So if you guys are interested in watching it, I will announce when that's going to happen. Hopefully we don't have any technical glitches and all goes well. I'm looking forward to it. The topic is going to be beauty products and maybe some other things that has to do with Christmas. I think it'll be really good. If you guys don't know, my son is a huge beauty guru. And I love my boy so much. I'm so proud of him. He is doing amazing. He's a classical pianist. I'm proud of all 3 of my boys, but Lucas and I, we always seem to have that really close relationship, me and him. Lucas is studying classical music at the University of Memphis, and he is doing phenomenal. He is doing phenomenal, and I'm very proud of him. So I'm looking forward to talking with him and doing a Facebook Live special with my son. I think it'll be a lot of fun. He's got a great sense of humor and a great attitude, and I just enjoy him so much. And he is going to be turning 25 years old next week. I have a 25-year-old, guys, a 25-year-old. It's just so hard for me to believe. Any other moms understand what that feels like? Anyways, I'm going to get cracking on my house, and I'm just looking forward to really honestly just chillaxing on my bed and watching a movie with my man here in a little bit. I just need it. I just need to rest. I feel like that's all I've been doing, but when you're under the weather, I mean, what else do you do? So that is exactly what I'm going to plan to do. I'm going to try to get as much as I can get done in here in about an hour, and then it's going to be movie time. Okay, I am cleaning out my makeup. And so I'm a creature of habit, so, you know, I don't use a whole lot, but I love this bag that I bought when I was up in Morgantown. Oh my goodness, before I got married, so over a year ago. I switch out my makeup according to seasons. So, you know, it's getting holidays, so I'm putting out a little bit of extra makeup in my bag. But usually this just houses my hair stuff, like my hair ties and maybe my brush and all of my brushes that I use every day and my facial cream, pretty much everything that I use on a day-to-day basis. That way I don't have to go rummaging through a drawer or anything. It's just in this bag, and if I go out of town, I just take this bag and put my toothbrush and toothpaste in here and I'm good to go. So just thought I would share the products. This is dirty. I wiped it out as much as I could, but it being a white in here does not help, but it is clean. I wiped it out really, really good, and I used a method cleaner in it, but I probably could run it through the washing machine. But anyhow, I use this here primer from e.l.f. So far, I like it pretty good. It's not my deepest favorite, but I use it. I also keep this one on hand. This is like if I'm really going somewhere special. The Infallible. My son gave me this, so, you know, I do use this, but I only use it, you know, kind of special, more special occasions. I moisturize my face with the Aveeno Positively Radiant Cream every single day. Right. So I used the natural finishes from Wet n Wild. This is almost out to let you know how much I used it. It's less than $5. Works pretty well for me. That's what I use. Concealer is the e.l.f. brand concealer. I think this is the e.l.f. one. Yes, this is the e.l.f. I have two of those actually, and I like it better than the L'Oreal. This is my go-to. I have used it so much. Is there any wording on this thing? I can't see. There it is. Butter Highlighter. There it is. By Physicians Formula. Sorry guys, I've had this forever. If you can see the can in there, it's actually depleting, but this is my favorite highlighter in the whole world. Then I'm setting out a couple new shades of eyeshadow. This is, what is this one now? I gotta figure out what this is. This is the Wet n Wild. Lucas also gave me that. Last year for Christmas, he got me a purse, and then he filled it full of makeup for me. He takes good care of me. Love this here lipstick. This is $9.58. And I love the way that this looks. This is the gold. Isn't that pretty? Just the packaging is really pretty. This is the Hard Candy. This is a blusher, but I love it because it's very shimmery. And I like it because it definitely, hold on a minute, I'll try to open it. Here we go. See it? It's very, very shimmery, and I like it. Actually picked that up at the Dollar Tree. Yes, I did. This is a blush set that I really like. My mother got this for me like forever ago, and I don't know if I can open it. Here we go. This is the colors. You can put this on cheeks or lips. I love all the colors in this. It goes on really nicely on my face. I love it. And you can see my favorite color was right there because it's got a hole in it. But love that. I've got my eyelash curler. This is my go-to Sally Gel Nails 207, and it's a very pretty shimmery color. Sorry about the lighting. And then I've got some new mascara and a new foundation I'm going to pop in here. These are the facial wipes that I have been using. Really like them. They're from Target. They're very thick and very foamy-like. And I don't know why this is not focusing. There we go. Very foamy-like. Love it. Just washed all my brushes right here. They're still wet. I'm going to leave them out to dry. And that is all for the makeup. And then I'm going to dust this whole vanity off really good and put my stuff back and maybe put a few little Christmas bits out. So I got my vanity all clean. Put my little Christmas tree in here. It's not going to stay like this. This here, not this that's on top. This is my blue teddy bear sweatshirt. I love this thing, but I look like Cookie Monster in this thing. But when it's real cold in the house, this is what I put on. Love it. This is all my summer clothes, and I realized that I'm probably the only woman alive that owns 5,000 pairs of denim capris. But nevertheless, that is my summer stuff. I cleaned out all my drawers over here, so that is good. The top of my refrigerator, Ronnie's chair is nice and clean. And now we're going to watch movies. You guys are going to hear about that later. It is the 12 Days of Christmas Beauty. I forget the name of it completely. You probably can see it on the screen. I can't. But anyways, I'm going to find that movie on YouTube and take a break with my sweetheart.
Earth had quite so good a life. I was 15 and growing at an alarming rate. Each morning I woke, convinced I had added another inch to my height while I slept.
Hello, everybody. I'm just checking in. Look at my gray hair. It's so bad. I really need to color my hair, but I've been putting it off till December because we're trying to schedule to do some Christmas pictures, and I want my hair to look all nice for that. Anyways, I am just checking in. We watched a movie, The Waltons, Christmas, Family Christmas. I'll link it down below. It's on YouTube. The only Waltons thing that I actually could find online, I know the Waltons come on MeTV at noon every day. If you're not familiar with it, it's like it's a family that grows up in Walton Mountains. It's sort of like Little House on the Prairie, but a little bit newer time frame. It is really good. It's family oriented. Everybody can watch it. Ronnie can follow stuff like that really easily. And so we just love the Waltons. If it's not your thing, then it's not your thing, but I love it. Anyways, I just got out of a very hot bubble bath, so if my face is red, it's because I exfoliated my skin really good. I have been having the driest skin ever, and I have my e.l.f. It's oil, it's a serum for dry skin on my face. It works really, really good. Usually put it on before I go to bed at night, but I decided since my skin was so dry today, I would just go ahead and put it on. So I got clean clothes on and everything. And so what else do I need to do today? Plenty. I got plenty to do today. I need to finish some stuff in my closet over here. I have a hope chest in the hall. It's full of winter sweaters. And I want to get all of that winter stuff out and put the summer stuff in it that you've seen in the big giant hamper thing. I want to put all of that stuff in the hope chest, so I'm exchanging out seasons. And then I need to sort out Ronnie's clothes, put away some clean laundry, and I should be done up here for today. So that's all I'm probably going to get done for today. And then it'll be time to hit the bed, if you know what I mean. And then I'll have to edit this video so you guys can see it Friday. But that is what is going on. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day when you watch this. My eye is still bothering me. This one here. Don't know what I'm going to do about it. But anyways, that is that. Lucas has a recital tonight that's coming online. It's live. He sent me a link to it so I could watch it. It is supposed to be really, really good. Hello, everybody. I'm just checking in. Actually, I'm going to sign out on this vlog so I can get it up and edited. I don't even know what all I even filmed. The antibiotics are kicking my butt today. I'm not going to lie to you. They are really kicking my butt. I wanted to accomplish a whole lot more today than I did. I did get my closet. My entire room is completely done. I went through all the drawers. All my summer stuff is gathered. I just need to get my winter stuff out of the hope chest and bring it in here. But that's okay. If I may not get to it till tomorrow, but I will get to it. I am enjoying a cup of tea and thought I would show you guys the packaging because I know you guys like to see. It's the Twilings peppermint, pure peppermint. That is my favorite peppermint tea. Stomach's a little yucky from the medicine I'm on. Don't want to be too TMI, just don't feel good. And sometimes peppermint tea just kind of hits a spot. I'm not hungry. You know, I'm not hungry, but I don't want anything. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm not sure exactly what all I got on here, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are having a fabulous week. I'm hoping that I can get to feeling better and enjoy some things that I would really like to enjoy right now. But you know what? We just got a lot to be thankful for because we are extremely blessed. On my regular Facebook page, I've been putting on there every single day of things that I am blessed and thankful for. And there are just so many things to be thankful for. So I hope this finds you very blessed and very thankful for all the things that you have. And I will be talking to you all again soon. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.